Hey, Jerry Hawk 250 here. I'm getting ready to change the oil on my Lifan Lycan 250. I've got about 110 miles on the original oil to break it in. Like I just got back from riding, so it might still be a little warm. But yeah, I'll show you how to change the oil. First thing you do is remove all this heat shield. You remove this so we can get the side cover off for the oil filter. Now, I don't know how well you can see this. There's a hose clamp here, one down here that we're going to have to remove, and the bar should come all the way off. And that'll give us clear access to the bolts in order to remove the cover for the oil filter. First, we need to actually drain the oil, and I'll do that next. Now, this is going to take a 19mm socket. Got a pan here ready. And this should have a spring, screen filter. And this will probably be still pretty warm, as I've been riding earlier. So it hadn't had a chance to really cool off. So yeah, you gotta be careful. This is under spring load. And what I'll have to do is while I'm cleaning this screen out, and I can see a few little pieces of trash in it. And I'll stand this up vertically to help drain oil out. So now what I'm going to do is take some regular brake cleaner and clean this screen out real well. I can see some little pieces on it here and there. And then we'll reinstall it. And now we'll just install it in reverse. We'll set the screen inside, like so. And now I'll install this back in. And this has an O-ring on it, so you don't have to over-tighten it. And make sure we don't cross-thread it. Again, this is a 19mm socket that fits this. And it will snug it back up. Like so. I don't know if you can tell, man, this at all. Only after 110 miles, you see all the metal flake in it. So that's why I changed it. It's always good. I mean, you can break in with all that comes with it. Not a problem. Just make sure they got enough in it when you got it. So next you want to do is remove the cover, side cover, to get access to the oil filter. Make sure you have a pan leak there, because it will leak some oil. And you see there's a gasket inside right here. Make sure that's in there. And here's the oil filter, which you can see it has metal shavings in it. And I'm not sure, I have a filter, a Yamaha filter. I'm gonna have to make sure it fits. If not, I'll just take this and clean it, and then I'll get the exact filter for it. As you can see, this is a Yamaha filter for a V-Star 250. They're exact same. So yes, the Yamaha V-Star 250 filter is the exact same filter. You can use that. But you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean this one off. And on my next oil change, I'll actually use the other filter. I'm only gonna put a few hundred miles on this, so I'll just reuse this one. It is a screen filter. It is a reusable filter. It just needs to be cleaned out with some brake cleaner. And as you can see, this has a good bit of metal shavings on it. So you can see it really cleans up pretty good. It's a real fine, real fine screen. Like I said, it wasn't really dirty. It has some little metal shavings on it, but they it cleaned right off. So what you want to do is make sure you clean out this old oil out of here. So this part right here will go in first. This goes towards the cover, like so. And this should fit right back over. And we'll put our bolts back in. I don't like to use impact on here because this is aluminum. Very easy to cross thread and strip your bolt holes. It's okay to remove them with the impact, but putting them on, I'd rather just use a ratchet. So again, the oil filter for a Yamaha V-Star 250 will fit this bike, the exact same. But like I said, Lifan comes with a reusable filter, same as like on my KPX. But I did change the one on the KPX, and I do have actually had gotten filters from Lifan to replace the the one I had. So the owner's manual says it takes 1.7 liters, which is roughly 1.8 quarts. So we'll remove the dipstick. And I use Valvoline 10W40 motorcycle oil. We're not going to use synthetic right now. I'll wait till I get at least 1,000 miles on or so before I start using synthetic. So yeah, roughly 1.8 quarts, which is like 1 quart, 25, 26 ounces. You need a good long funnel. And guys, it don't matter which brand, all you use, as long as it's designed for motorcycle with wet clutch, you're good. So this is the exact same engine that I had on my Yamaha 250 way back in 1989. Let's see, I'll be getting close. A little more. There we go. Now, there's no dipstick on here. We'll have to look at the sight glass. What's so bad with the cover inside, you really can't see the side glass. Now that it's off, I can see it. And when you check the level, the bike should be vertical, you know, straight up and down. And it should come halfway into the side glass. You know, it's a little over, but I hadn't strengthened it off yet. I'm just right at the top of the full mark. So I'm gonna crank it up and see if it changes. We'll crank it up. It's on. I'll let it run a little bit. And then I'll put the shield back on. It reverse the process. There is a catalytic converter, right? Listen to that part. Let's see where that level's at now. And we're about right. See, we're right at the full mark. So that's it, guys. No point in me videoing me putting this back on. The main point was getting the oil change. Please like, subscribe. If you like to get one of these bikes, check out Venom Motorsports. These are 2023 models. 2024 models hadn't made it past EPA. They're not sure if they will or not. But I know Venom Motorsports has a few in stock. They bought the rest of the stock. So you probably won't find this anywhere else unless they have it in their warehouse already. So, y'all have a nice day, and I'm going out for a ride after this.